Healthy Teeth Pediatric Dentistry, building a lifetime of beautiful smiles. Did you know that teeth grinding could lead to tooth damage? Dr. Shilpa tells us why.
Many parents complain that their kid grind their teeth at night time. There can be a lot of factors which can cause the teeth grinding. One of the factor, it can be the local factor, which is if their bite is off or something. But for the little ones, it's not mainly that factor. The main factor which causes teeth grinding is the psychological factor, which is some kind of stress. And when I'm talking about stress can be as little as change in the environment, like moving to a new house, separation from the grandparent, or separation from any other caregiver. So those are the very small factors which, like to us as an adult, would seem like small factors, but for the little ones, it's a really big factor. I can give you an example for my son. He's a 2-year-old. I have a live-in nanny. She went to India for a month, and he didn't realize that she's gonna come back. But she left for 1 month, and I started seeing that he started grinding his teeth at night. And as soon as she came back, he completely stopped. So that little of a factor, like about missing somebody or going to the school or parents separating or moving to a new house, can affect the child's psychology, and that can initiate the grinding of the teeth.
Healthy Teeth Pediatric Dentistry, building a lifetime of beautiful smiles. Call for an appointment today. 713-955-2100.